Namaste my friend, welcome to this tutorial on how to delete a property on Google Analytics in 2023. The all-new Google Analytics 4 is a powerful tool that helps you track your website's performance. You add your website properties to Google Analytics and it shows all the numbers and traffic sources for that property. That's how you know whether your website is growing or not. It is wonderful, but sometimes you may need to delete a property due to various reasons. In this video, I will guide you through the steps you need to follow to delete a property on Google Analytics. So if you're ready to learn how to delete a property on Google Analytics, watch this video till the end. Also, if you're new here and have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so because I create informative videos about different aspects of the life of digital freelancers. Thanks for your love and support. Let's start the video. Alright, so here I am inside my Google Analytics. To get here, you have to go to analytics.google.com and then log in with your email ID. I'm sure you must have done this already because you are here to delete a property that you probably have added earlier in Google Analytics 4. Now, if you have only one property added to your analytics, you will see only one here, or else you can just click on this all accounts option here and you will find all the properties listed on your left hand navigation. Okay, in this video I'm going to delete this particular property, which is Learn Hindi Online. Okay, this was a domain and a website that I built earlier, but then I'm not using it anymore. The website itself is not there, so I'm going to delete this just to keep this analytics dashboard looking good. Okay, nothing else. So to delete that, you come to this property and click on all website data here. Now this will leave you to this particular page. You can see on this page I don't have any data, any information, because I'm not using this website for a long time. Okay, this is already deleted. So I'm going to delete the property from Google Analytics here. Now before moving forward, let me remind you that once you remove a property from Google Analytics, you will lose all the information or all the data that is associated with that particular property. Even if you add the property again on Google Analytics, you will not get the previous data that is associated. Okay, so do this step very carefully and very wisely. Think about it a couple of times before you go ahead and delete your property. Okay, alright, so I'm very much sure that I'm not going to use this property anymore and I want it to be deleted from Google Analytics. That's why I'm going to do this in this video here. Okay, alright, so the first step would be to come to this panel on the left. If it is collapsed, you can click on this small arrow here. Okay, you can click on this and then you can see the admin option here. So click on admin. Once it opens, you'll see 3 columns. This is how it looks right now. Probably when you are watching this video, it may look little different, but then you'll still find the similar options over here. Okay, so there are 3 things. One is account, then is property, and view under admin. Okay, I don't have any user added. If you have added somebody else as user to the Google Analytics account, then those information will come up here. That is not prepared for now. So under admin, you go to property, and from property you go to property settings here. Okay, now once you go to property settings here, you can see all the information like tracking ID, property name, the URL that you have used earlier. This is not working right now because I have removed that URL. The website is deleted, the domain is also probably free right now, so this is not working. And all the information about this you can see here: last day no hits, 7 days no hits, 30 days no hits. So I'm building a property which I'm very much sure that I do not want it in the analytics. Okay, so when you do the step, you also be very sure that you are going to remove something which you do not want to look into later on. Alright, so once you have come to this property settings, on the right top corner you have this option called move to rubbish bin. Okay, earlier it was like some trash or something. Now they say move to rubbish bin. So click on that option and then they will ask for a confirmation from you. You are about to move learnhindiOnline.in to the trash can where it will be scheduled for deletion. So they do not delete it right away, they schedule it for deletion, because if you want to undo your act. Probably you have some time for that, but then eventually they will remove that from the trash can as well. So earlier they used to call it trash can, but now they call it rubbish bin, but they have not changed the naming here. You see. Alright, anyways, so once you're sure that you're going to proceed and move your property to the bin, you click this button here which says move to bin, and then you can see the confirmation here saying success. Okay, and here you can see all the information. Some of the information are grayed out and most of it are not there anymore. So this tells you that your property is deleted from Google Analytics. This is a very easy step. It just took like less than 10-15 seconds for me to do it. Okay, so do it carefully and be 100% sure that you are not going to use that property in the future. Even if you add that property again to Google Analytics, you will not be able to see the data that it has collected till now. So that's all I have in this video. I hope you have learned how to delete a property on Google Analytics 4. If you have any questions regarding this, please ask in the comment section below. Thanks a lot again for watching this video till the end. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. That will motivate me to create more such videos in the future as well. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.